Jake, what happened?
My toy is missing.
I feel a little guilty, but I won't return it.
Don't take what isn't yours.
Oh, wow.
Wow, this toy looks so cool. This is my favorite robot. Can I play with it?
Not now. I'm playing. Oh, okay.
Okay, I'll try later.
Fine. Hey,
I'm going to drink water. My toy is right here.
no one is looking now. I'll just take it for a while. Cute. Haha, this is so fun. I really want this. Okay, bang, they sting, bang, bang, bangs. Oh no.
Where is my robot? It was just here.
I don't know. Maybe you left it somewhere else. Oh.
No, I left it right here. I need to find it.
Oh, no. Did you check under the bed or in your toy box? Maybe it's hiding behind the couch.
I feel a little guilty, but I won't return it.
Jake, what happened?
My toy is missing.
He's not here anymore. I looked everywhere. He was right here. Why can't I find him? My toy is missing.
Maybe someone took it. Let's look for it together. Ben, did you see it?
We can't find the robot toy. Did you check your room and the living room?
No, I didn't see anything. I haven't seen it anywhere. Maybe it's in the other room. Oh,
I'm really sad. That was my favorite toy.
I feel bad now. I shouldn't have taken it. No.
Ben, is everything okay?
We can't find the robot toy. Yes, everything is fine.
You look worried. Did you do something wrong?
Oh, no. I took Jake's toy. I didn't ask him.
That's not right, Ben. You should always ask first.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I should. I'm sorry. I feel really bad. No, I should not.
It's okay to make mistakes, but you must fix them.
I will return the toy and say sorry. Jake, I took your robot. I'm really sorry. Oh, I won't.
You took it? I was so worried. Why did you take it?
I didn't ask you. That was wrong. I didn't get a turn to play, so I took it. I'm sorry.
Next time, please ask before taking it. Thank you for telling the truth. I forgive you.
Here is your robot. I won't do it again.
It's okay. Let's play together.
Really? Thank you. Here, take this. Like it? Why you make that?
Sharing is more fun. Come play. I'm proud of you, Ben. You told the truth.
Honesty is very important. Always remember that.
I learned my lesson. I will always ask first.
And I will share more.
Oh, it's okay now.
This is fun.
Yes, it is. Let's take turns so we both have fun.
You use it first, then it's my turn.
Sharing makes playing better. Both get to have fun that way.
Ben made a mistake, but he fixed it. Always be honest and never take things without asking.
Thanks for watching our story. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more fun stories. See you next time.